Hello everyone, how y'all doing today? I am Roslyn and this is Daily Kitchen Makings. If you're hearing my voice for the first time, welcome to my channel. Please like the video, comment, hit the notification bell so that you will know when I post new videos. And please subscribe to the channel so that it will keep helping the channel to grow. In today's video, I'll be making this delicious toasted bread you see here. The ingredients I'll be using here are cheese, egg, tuna, blended tomato and pepper, butter, and of course our bread slices. So here I am cleaning the toasting machine, oiling it, and preheating it. Now I'm combining my ingredients. The only ingredient I didn't list out earlier was onion, and I added that here. I'm sorry about that. So here I am buttering my slices of bread. You can add as little or as much butter as you so desire. The butter helps to prevent the bread from sticking to the machine while it is being toasted, and it also prevents the bread from being dry after it has been toasted. So here I am putting my filling on my slices of bread. I also added cheese to my filling, and then I covered the filling with another slice of bread. Wow, just look at that. That's the cheese oozing out of the toasting machine as it melts. Now the toasted bread is ready. Usually, I like my toasted bread to be as brown as it is. You can decide to make yours lighter. It's your choice. And because my bread slices were slightly longer than the bread rack, that's why the bottom part looked that way. And so what I simply did was to cut out the bottom part. The toasted bread is simple, delicious, and easy to make, and most times it is used for breakfast, but then it can be eaten at other times of the day. The toasted bread can be paired with different beverage drinks. As for me, I like to do justice to my toasted bread with pineapple juice. So tell me, what is your favorite drink to pair your toasted bread with? Please put it down in the comment section. There are so many toasted bread recipes. This is just one of them. Please do not forget to like the video, comment, and hit the notification bell so that you will know when I post new videos. Also, please subscribe to the channel. Your support means the whole world to me. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.